welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. It is 2018, the third day in 2018, and this is a brand new start, a fresh start. We have an entire year to improve on ourselves, improve on our relationships, improve on our lives, be good to somebody. We have an entire year to do that, and it's the beginning of the year and we like to make little resolutions and so on and so forth. Now for 2017, I told myself I'm not going to bother with any resolutions because I usually make resolutions and don't stick to them. But this year I have grown a lot in 2017, and this year I think that I actually can stick to the resolutions that I come up with and so on. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you guys about my channel goals for 2018. I'm going to tell you about my beauty goals and my health goals and so on for 2018, and we'll just chit chat and so on. Leave in the comment section down below one resolution that you have for 2018. So I've got my book, and in this book I have my ideas, my thoughts, my plans for my channel, everything. I just write them all down in this book, and I wrote down what I wanted to say in this video before I went off rambling and we never actually knew what my goals were, right? So for my channel goals, what I hope to at least have by the end of the year is 6,000 subscribers. So my goal for the end of the year is to have 6,000 subscribers on the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. And by the end of January, I'm hoping that I have 3,000 subscribers. We are so close to 3,000 subscribers, just like 200 and some subscribers away from 3,000, and I think that we could achieve this together in January. So where subscribers are concerned, 3,000 by the end of January and 6,000 by this time next year. We could do this in 2018. Now my second goal is to continue to be more consistent with uploading my videos. I have really come a long way in 2017. I have uploaded more frequently and so on, and I've been seeing the benefits of uploading frequently on my channel, more engagement and so on. And I'm going to try to at least upload one video a week, which is 4 videos every week for every month of 2018. That's my goal, and I'm sticking to it. The third thing is I want to build my YouTube community. Now, I love when you guys comment in my comment section, that I know your thoughts, your feelings and so on, and we get to chat. You ask me questions and I answer them as best as I can. And as you guys know, I do answer every single question on every single video, every comment. I respond to it because I really do love hearing from you guys, and I love that community that we are developing. So I hope in the year 2018 that we continue to grow as a YouTube family. My fourth goal is, last year I got a company, Jord Watches, sent me a watch, right? And that was my first ever time receiving anything from anybody last year, and that made me feel so good. I felt like I was growing and I'm getting somewhere. And then I was able to host a giveaway for you guys. One person won their own watch, and then you guys had like 2 different discount codes, and I was like, man, we're doing some great things. So for 2018, my goal is to get at least 3 of those. So for 2018, I hope to get 3 companies to send me some products, and I'll tell you guys about them and so on. That's my goal, and to at least get 1 paid sponsorship so that I can be able to buy new equipment and improve my channel and all of that good stuff. So that's my goal. That's my 4th goal, to get some sponsorship, guys, on my YouTube channel. And my 5th channel goal is that I would like to bring up my average view per video to at least 2,000 views. If I can't get 2,000, maybe 1.5k, because I don't want our channel to be growing in subscribers and not growing in views. I want my views to get up there as well. So my goal is to have 2,000 views per video, at least 2,000 views, and I would like that I would like for my channel that I just lost my train of thought. And I would like that I have at least a few more hit videos, because you know sometimes a video may gain so much traction and so on, and I want more people to know about my channel and so on, and I really do put a lot of effort into my videos, so you know, let's grow. Let's grow. So those are my channel goals for 2018. Now for my my New Year's resolutions, and I'm going to try my best to stick to them, right? I'm just going to read them through so that this video is not super long, okay? So I want to not overthink. I tend to overthink things sometimes, and I'm going to try not to be an overthinker in 2018. The second thing is to drink more water. I have increased my water intake in 2017, and I want to continue to do that in 2018. Third thing is to take a multivitamin. I actually have 3 multivitamins left. Well, 3 Miel Organics healthy hair formula vitamins left. So I hope to take those. And I'm going to exercise. I'm going to join the gym, because these arms need to get toned, guys, for 2018. December 2018, you guys are gonna be like, new Ranz, who this? You know, I'm going to keep up with my scalp massages, which is the Curly Proverbs hair growth oil. I haven't been consistent the 3 months that I've been taking it, and that's very bad. So I'm going to start over that journey and be consistent with doing the scalp massages, and then I'll give you guys an update. I promised you guys updates, but I wasn't consistent with the massages, so I didn't feel comfortable giving you guys an update. So I'll give you guys an update for the 4 months that I'll be using it from now, consistently. And that's another thing for this year. I hope to be consistent. I find that consistency really consistency in everything really is a good push to achieving what you want. I'm going to deep condition my hair once a week. I'm going to read at least 3 books. I'm going to read the Bible. I'm going to read a book called The Desire of Ages by Ellen G. White, and I'm going to read what is that third book? The third book that I'm going to read is Take the Risk by Ben Carson. I'm playing around with the thought of starting a book club on my YouTube channel, so let me know let me know how you guys feel about that, you know, reading books and we talk about it, and so I'm doing little videos with these books. That's actually a pretty great idea. So let me know if you guys would, if that's something that you guys would like to see and participate in. I'm going to get adequate rest, try to go to sleep earlier so that I can wake up more refreshed. I'm going to surround myself with people who are uplifting and positive, and I think I want to get a jar. Well, I have mason jars, and I'm going to put in a note of something that happened good during the week and reflect on it at the end of 2018, and then I'll come on and tell you guys all about that. I'm going to stay on top of my prayer life, do my devotions. I'm going to do more product reviews, try new things, and I want to have a salon experience video where I flat iron my hair, maybe. So I'm thinking summer or October for that, so I'll work on keeping my hair healthy and getting my hair healthy for that to happen. And my last goal, which is the big one, I'm going to try not to eat meat for the entire year of 2018, and the goal is to, you know, 2019, 2020, until I die, not consume meat. That's the goal. I think that overall for my health and everything, that's something that I want to do. I want to live my best life. I have one body, and I feel like not eating meat and so on gives me my best life, right? So I want to like have a plant-based diet. That's my plan. For right now, I'm still like eating dairy, but I'm not actually consuming animal flesh. But the goal is to not consume dairy eventually. That's going to be a struggle, but that's my big goal for 2018. If you guys want to know updates on all of the things that I said for my goals, let me know. I'm very nervous, but I'm going to try to achieve all of these goals that I have for 2018. I will do a hair goal for 2018 because I know this video is going to be super long, and to combine both is a no. So I'm going to do hair goals for 2018 video. Look out for that. That should probably come after this one, so look out for that, guys. Look out for that. So I really hope that you guys stick with my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your motivation, your positive words, and your encouragement with my YouTube channel. I hope that we continue to grow together in 2018. Don't forget to leave down below what one goal of yours is for 2018 down below. I would love to know what they are. Maybe I'll add one of them to my list. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.